Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Thursday, September 27th. We closed at a new low on the year for the stock market. Although the Nasdaq was green on the S&P 500, we've closed below the low. And the Dow Jones is finally below 20% from its peak. So the Dow Jones is now officially in a bear market. This looks delayed or incorrect, but the Dow Jones is 20% below its peak. Or this is year to date. So if you actually went from this peak on the Dow Jones up here all the way down to here, it would be down more than 20%. So all the indices are now in a bear market. The Treasury notes are still going higher. The market's still predicting that the Fed will stay hawkish. Nothing really new there. If we take a look at the S&P 500, so we closed below the closes that we had over here. We also broke through the intra-day lows from June today, but we did buy up a little bit off of them. If we end up closing below this level, this is the first level that we would see any sort of buying pressure. For people listening on the podcast, that'd be from 34.85 to 35.50-ish, 35.45. But I don't think that it would stop there. I think that we would end up seeing this trend line, or this channel line rather, and that could be anywhere from 31.50 to 32.50. So I'll extend that to like 3,000 in case it takes a little bit. So like 3,000 to 32.50 would be the next target for the S&P 500 if we break through this low. And on Bitcoin, it's the same story every single day. It's been in this range for 4 months. We're still holding above this 17.5 to 17.7 level. Right now, Bitcoin is just over 19,000. If we break through this level, there's no support until you get to like 9 to 12,000 on Bitcoin. So that would be a load the boat price for sure. I don't see Bitcoin going lower than 9 to 12,000, but it definitely can get there if it breaks through this level. So we'll just have to wait and see. Obviously, if the stock market makes an aggressive move lower towards this channel line, it wouldn't be all that surprising to see Bitcoin break through this zone as well. It's kind of been trading with the market. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you haven't watched this past weekend's episode of the Weekly Wrap, please be sure to do that. It was a really good episode. We go into depth of what's happening. If you like this type of content, we release one of these short videos every single day that the stock market is open. So be sure to subscribe on YouTube and follow us wherever you listen to podcasts. And on the weekends, we release one of those episodes I was just talking about that are a little bit longer. We go more in depth, and it has a little bit more analysis. So if you like that, be sure to stick around for that as well. So please subscribe here on YouTube and follow us wherever you listen to podcasts. And until then, I will see you next time.